Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a handy YouTube feature. If you ever wondered how to save YouTube Shorts to your playlist, then you're in for a treat. Stick with me till the end and you'll learn in no time. Let's begin. First, grab your device and launch the YouTube app. Familiarize yourself with the home screen for a moment. To kick things off, tap on the library icon at the bottom right. In this section, I'll show you two distinct methods: saving your shorts and saving other shorts to a playlist. For your shorts, select your videos. Navigate to Shorts. Here, you'll see a playlist of your creative endeavors. To add any of them to a playlist, click on the three vertical dots beside the shorts. Tap Save to Playlist. Choose your desired playlist, and finally, confirm by tapping Done. Now, for other people's shorts, suppose you've watched an engaging shorts and want to revisit it later. Here's how you do it. Head to History to locate the short. Once found, tap on the three vertical dots beside it. Much like before, again, select Save to Playlist, choose where you want to slot it, and affirm by hitting Done. It's that easy. With these simple steps, you can create your favorite YouTube Shorts into personalized playlists. If you found this tutorial useful or helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!